You know, getting a handle on your money is the absolute first step to building any kind of real wealth. So, in this quick explainer, we're going to break down a simple, proven plan that you can literally start using today.
All right, so let's be real for a second. Have you ever felt totally overwhelmed by all the financial advice out there? Because you are not alone. It's a super common question, and it can definitely feel like you need some kind of advanced degree just to manage your own money.
But I've got some great news for you. Drawing on insights from experts like Rachel Cruz, we can see that it's actually way more straightforward than it looks. See, the key isn't being some kind of math wizard, it's just about having a clear, step-by-step plan to follow.
Okay, so here's our roadmap. We're going to cover how to plan your money, how to get rid of your debt, then build up your savings, and finally how to invest for your future. Let's just jump right into step one.
First up is the bedrock, the absolute foundation for everything else we're going to talk about. You have to create a plan for your money. And listen, this isn't about being restrictive. It's about empowerment. It's about you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went.
And the best tool for this is the zero-based budget. The idea is so simple but so powerful. You give every single dollar that you make a name, a specific job to do before the month even starts. That way, nothing gets wasted.
And really, it all boils down to this super simple formula. Your income minus your expenses should equal zero. Now, that doesn't mean you're broke at the end of the month. It just means you've intentionally put every single dollar to work, whether that's for bills, for savings, or for fun.
So you might be thinking, why bother, right? Well, because without a plan, your hard-earned money just disappears. But with a budget, your income becomes this incredible tool that you can point directly at your biggest goals, like getting out of debt or building an amazing future.
Okay, so once you're actually telling your money where to go, the very next mission is to free up more of it. And you do that by getting rid of your debt. This part is all about reclaiming your financial freedom. And the strategy for this is called the Debt Snowball Method. You literally list out all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest, and, this is key, you ignore the interest rates for now. You'll make the minimum payments on everything, but you throw every extra penny you have at that smallest debt until it is gone. Then, you take what you were paying on that debt and roll it all onto the next one.
I know. It sounds completely backward, right? Shouldn't you tackle the highest interest rate first? Well, the reason this works is because personal finance is more about your behavior than it is about pure math. The method is designed to give you quick wins. When you knock out that first small debt, you get this huge boost of motivation that keeps you fired up to keep going.
And look, the ultimate goal here, it's huge. Just imagine for a second what it would feel like to have your entire paycheck belong to you, no payments to anyone else. That feeling of complete control, well, that's the real prize of being debt-free.
All right, so you're debt-free. That's amazing. Now it's time to build a fortress around your finances. Because look, life is going to happen. An emergency fund is the thing that protects all the progress you've made from getting wiped out by one unexpected event.
Now, we're actually talking about two different savings goals here, so let's break them down. First, while you're still paying off debt, you just need a small starter emergency fund, $1,000. It's for those little oops moments. But once the debt is gone, you're going to beef that up to a fully funded emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of your essential living costs.
So where should you park this cash? Well, the key thing here is it needs to be accessible, but not too accessible. A high-yield savings account is perfect. It's totally safe, you can get the money quickly if you need it, and you'll earn a lot more interest on it than in a regular old savings account.
Okay, let's just recap for a second. You have a budget. You're completely debt-free. You have a fully funded emergency fund. Now, and I mean only now, are you ready to fire up the growth engine and start building serious wealth through investing?
And the magic number to aim for? It's pretty straightforward. 15%. You want to invest 15% of your gross household income specifically for retirement. That's the amount that really gets compound growth working for you over the long haul.
But where does that 15% actually go? Well, there's a really simple priority list to follow. It goes match, then Roth, then traditional. So you always invest up to your employer's match first. I mean, that's literally free money. Don't leave it on the table. After that, you focus on a Roth account. And if you max that out, you can go back and put more into your workplace plan.
So why do we love the Roth so much? Honestly, it is a total game changer. You put in money after you've paid taxes on it, which means all of the growth, and we could be talking hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars over a career, is 100% tax-free when you pull it out in retirement. It's incredible.
Okay, so we've thrown a lot at you. I get it.
But when you zoom out, you can see it's actually a really clear and simple path as long as you follow the steps in the right order. Let's wrap it all up.
So here it is, your 4-step action plan to take control of your money. 1. Get control with a budget. 2. Get your freedom back by crushing your debt. 3. Protect yourself with a solid emergency fund. And 4. Build your future by consistently investing 15%.
And that's the plan. It's not rocket science. It's a proven path that has worked for so many people. So really, the only thing left to figure out is right there on the screen, what is your first step?